Ma'am, depende po yun sa how a legislator view his or her position as a representative of the district or of a party list. Kasi po, katulad namin, nakikinig kami kung ano yung pinapakita doon na record, pinapakinggan, nagtatanong, nagka-clarify kami. So kung ano yung appreciation namin, yun yung magiging basis namin for making a decision. Kasi nga, di ba, sinabi nila at the onset, try to be as unbiased as you possibly can. Eh kasi nga proseso itong ginagawa natin, hindi naman sinasabi na if it's an impeachment process, automatically the plan of everybody is to remove. Pero yung decision mo depends on your appreciation of what you see, what you hear, what is being talked about. Ngayon, kasi nga, nanonotice ko rin yan mag-react yung iba, tatakutin ka, according to their level of understanding. Minsan nga, out of tune din yung sinasabi nila You are talking about one topic, itong nagre-react naman, iba yung topic nila. Kaya, pero kung magpapapressure ka doon at hahayaan mo na yung na-witness mo, yung nakita mo, yung pinaniwalaan mo, babaliwalain mo yan dahil natatakot ka sa kanila, dahil baka hindi ka na maboto sa susunod, that may persuade you from doing otherwise. Pero kung like ako, ma'am, for instance, ako, after I lose a husband, I got a mom who is sick, ang dami nang naging klaro sa buhay ko. Kaya sabi ko, yung aking positioning whether or not I'll make it in the election or not, basta ang panindigan ko, yung pinapaniwalaan ko, yung nakikita ko at alam kong tama. But, people react differently to different situations. Hindi naman natin pwedeng lahatin yan. Iba-iba yung experience natin sa buhay, kaya we cannot blame one from sometimes doubting or having questions o baguhin yung kanilang mga decisions.